Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who are born in the year of the sheep in the area of health?
Oh, the sheep is very strong this year. Okay, and also there's a dominant lucky sign. So always can get away from trouble. All right, so the sheep can feel free to do something even a little bit more risky. No worry.
And how about in the area of career?
The only regular income would be good, no speculative income. And also there's golden vehicle sign. So if they are in a career dealing with cars or airplanes or anything mechanical, they should do very well. And even car rentals, car sales will be favorable for the sheep people.
And in the area of wealth?
Well, the money is very stable. No gambling money, unfortunately. So forget about speculations and be careful about stock markets.
And lastly, the area of marriage.
Because of the dominant mobility sign with the sheep people, so the relations will be a little flat, not very exciting, and not too much romance signs. So being stable, I would say, is an advantage.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。